Oscar with 9 today. I'm going to show you my Bluetooth keyboard my dad let me borrow till I get my own. It brings really advanced settings from iOS 9. Right here. This is a regular keyboard. You push the button, hold your iPad. You hold command. And then we hold tab. Switch between the apps you have running. If you look very carefully at the clock. And they're still moving. Cool, huh? Hold it, you're in. Hold tab in the calendar. Get these options. There. Still a lot of options. Very cool, huh? There's more we can do on here. Like when in Safari, we hold the command option. You get these. Cool, huh? Cool, look at that. You get a new option right there at the bottom. And hold the FN button, hit the low escape. You're back at your home screen. But I found out on the older iPads, when you go see the transit there, if you want to go transit, hold the command. And go switch to transit. Hit 2. You're there. And then hit switch that, like go to 3. There's we hit 2. And switch to my transit, I hit 1. I hit the third one there. This app does not support the transit. Neat, huh? It's pretty cool. You go to your music app. It does not work on the music app. Go to mail here. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. You can do stuff in mail, like delete, get all, new mail, no search reply. Oh, it's very cool. Other options. That is kind of cool. Your messages. When you hold it, new message. Reminders. Get this. They good, huh? Well, I never tried the videos yet. Yeah, that doesn't work. The notes. And then define new note there. Neat, huh? Yeah, Photos app does not do that. The contacts. Already here. Hold command. Create new contact. Search for new contact. The news app. I have not tried the news app yet. Give me 1 second. Let me just get this thing set up here. Give this thing a minute. And then now hold command. There you go. Look at that. Cool, huh? I mean, it does work and that looks awesome. Right here, hit command. And get this. Yeah. And you can turn on your brightness on this thing. Neat, huh? You can even do your volume. And when you press FN and hit this little delete button right here, it will lock the screen when you hold this and do that. When you hold, because it does lock the screen here. Let me try it again. It's because you didn't see that. And then hit the delete button. And then that'll lock the screen. Neat, huh? This is a normal Bluetooth keyboard. It's a magnetic one with that case. It's for the older iPads, like the iPad Air 2 or something. Neat, how I guess you can hold it up like that. And you have the charger to switch right over here. And this really means it's searching for Bluetooth device. This one means charging. This one means fully charged. It will work with any device on iOS 5 and higher. I tried my iPhone 2G and 3G, and they didn't pair up, but my 3G and higher did. Well, that's it for this little video. If you like this little video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.